So today I will be doing the 24-hour glow up challenge. Let's see if I can glow up in 24 hours. Valentine's Day edition. Yeah, let's see how this goes. So if I gotta choose someone, then it must be her. She been here since day one. I guess I'm at the car right. I guess I'm at the car right. I guess we're going to go to London, Paris, and Montego Bay. I guess I'm at the car right. I guess you're going to scream my name. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cleanse my face, take a shower, and everything like that. I do already have lashes on because I wear lashes whenever I'm asleep, well, whatever, because my Bell's palsy. So, like, I'm going to Walmart to grab a few things. All right. Okay, so I'm at Walmart, and I am about to go get some Just for Men so I can tint my eyebrows, and then I'm going to get some, I'm guessing, some press-ons because I really don't feel like going to get my nails done today. So I'm going to get some really cute press-ons. And yeah, so see you guys in Walmart. You guys, I don't know if I should get real black or jet black or rich dark brown. Oh jeez. Y'all like my shirt? I love this Millennium Goddess. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do to my hair. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and wide curl it. And I'll try with a middle part. Then if I don't like the middle part, then I'll go ahead and do the flip over and flip it over. So let me go ahead and get started on my hair because it's gonna take a long time. Little one curls. And I have my one curler here from Remington. I got it at Walmart. And I have it on 360 because I don't really want like tight one curls. So I'm back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put my nails on. And then I come back, I'm going to do my eyebrows and test this hack out to tint my eyebrows. Lovely nails. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm back and we're about to do tint my eyebrows with the Just for Men. Make sure you get the one, the guy with the beard, and not the hair dye one, because that one is different. And it says easy instructions, and I got jet black. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Now let me read the instructions really quick. I see it has a mixing pen, and it has color developer and a color base, and then you get a brush to mix it, and you get some gloves. And let's see, what am I supposed to do? Okay, wearing gloves, squeeze one line from color base tube into the mixing tray on one side of the raised line. Ain't no raised line. I need to update these instructions. There's not a raised line, it's just plastic. Okay, and then squeeze an equal amount of color developer into the mixing tray on the other side of the raised line and mix. Okay, so let's do that. There's not a raised line, so I'm just gonna put it in the middle right there. Okay. Color developer. Okay. That much? Ooh, just it's brown and color base.
I'm gonna squeeze it the same amount next to each other. Okay, and just gonna mix. I'm gonna use the back of this to mix. Into the shape that you want it. Clean it and leave it up. I have sparse eyebrows, so I'm praying that this works. And then don't put Vaseline around where you're going to do your eyebrows so it doesn't stain your skin. So go ahead and do this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, since I put the Vaseline, I'm going to use a little concealer around it too, so because they're so sparse, I want to make sure I get the right shape.
We're gonna mix that up so I make sure everything is nice and consistent.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna brush this on the brows and see what it do. Y'all see that? It's already changing. It's already changing. We just wait. This eyebrow is ugly. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I might have to go in and wipe this off and redo it after I see what the turnout is, because this eye is horrible and I kind of want to make my tail a little longer on this side. So we will see. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. I'm just using a cotton ball with some water, and I may have to go back in and darken it up or shape it the way I want to, but we will see. Let's see. This off. It's been about 3 minutes. So let's see. I don't want it to stain and get any darker. Let's see what we got. I mean, it looks pretty darn good to me for it being my first time doing this. Now, let's go ahead and get started on the makeup look for today. Don't know what look I'm going for, but it's gonna be very Valentine-y. So
I just finished my makeup and everything. It's getting dark, so the lighting is getting horrible. So I'm just gonna go put my outfit on, show you guys the outfit, and then boom.
So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next video.